after the pujas. So you can be rest assured that when Trinamool starts the unit in Goa today after the joining, we will definitely expedite things as there are 3.5 months left, as you rightly pointed. And the party is going to put its entire weight behind the Goa unit, and we will make sure that people of Goa see a new dawn in the days to come.
Mr. Banerjee, this is...
You should ask all questions to Mr. Falirio.
Mr. Banerjee, this is Prodipto from PTI. I have
Yes.
a question. As you mentioned that your fight or the TMC's
Sorry,
fight...
I can't hear you.
This is Prodipto from PTI. As you mentioned that TMC's fight is not against Congress, but don't you think the utterances made by you and the party supremo is helping the BJP and it's causing differences of opinion among the opposition?
No, I have
unity?
clarified that. If Congress is not doing anything, we can't be sitting duck and staying idle and looking at things the way it's happening. Congress needs to get out from the armchair and hit the streets. It can't be done by sitting at the comfort of their homes in Delhi. We are not a party that exists only on Twitter and social media. We are a party that has taken the street, and rather than being a keyboard warrior, we want to be the real warrior who will hit the ground on the ideologies of Mamata Banerjee. And I have rightly mentioned and clarified that the difference between Trinamool Congress is we are not going to be cowed down. They can put all their might, vigor, blitz. Trinamool is not going to be cowed down. Trinamool will take the BJP head on, and we will oust the BJP, whatever it takes.
Mr. Banerjee, we are talking about the...
Please, Bijoy, you have already asked a question. Same person cannot ask
Bolun.
again. Komal, you have already asked a question, please. So, anybody who has not asked a question may ask.
না আপনারা দেখেছেন কর্পোরেশন যুদ্ধকালীন তৎপরতায় কাজ করছে এবং মানুষ বেরিয়ে ভোট দেবে আমরা আস্থা রাখি মানুষের উপর।
Mr. Banerjee, this
প্রাকৃতিক দুর্যোগ তো কারোর হাতে থাকে না, যদি বৃষ্টি হয় এরকম ভাবে তো আটকানো যায় না, কিন্তু যুদ্ধকালীন তৎপরতায় কর্পোরেশন কাজ করছে এবং জল যেভাবে নামানো যায় তারা ইতিমধ্যেই প্রক্রিয়া শুরু করে দিয়েছে।
Mr. Banerjee, this side, we
Yes.
are talking about the time constraints before the next assembly elections in Goa. Aam Aadmi Party has also plunged into the Goa politics. So, do you think in the run-up to the next elections, will you join hands with Aam Aadmi Party if certain situation arises before the election?
So what is your question?
My question is, there is a time constraint. So, in the run-up to the elections, will you give it a thought of joining hands with Aam Aadmi Party to defeat the BJP?
In Goa, Trinamool will fight it out alone. I hope that put every speculation to rest.